If you're encountering a live stream failed error on Vimeo OTT, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth for live streaming. A wired connection is preferred over Wi-Fi for better reliability. Step 2. Verify stream settings. Review your stream settings in Vimeo OTT. Make sure that the stream key and URL are correctly configured and match the settings provided by Vimeo. Step 3. Restart your streaming software. If you're using streaming software like OBS or Wirecast, restart it to clear any temporary glitches. After restarting, try to initiate the live stream again. Step 4. Update software. Ensure that both your streaming software and any related plugins are up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that may lead to streaming failures. Step 5. Contact Vimeo support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Vimeo support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the live stream failed error on Vimeo OTT. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from Vimeo's support resources.